Today I want to go about just figuring out how to fix my power window. The auto up function on the driver's window does not work, and this can be applied to many different electrical functions within a car. You can kind of figure out how to fix things just with a simple sequence of pressing buttons or resetting things. Could be just replacing the battery on the car, replacing the battery in your key fob. Many different electrical glitches can be figured out with simple reprogramming sequence. Let's take a look at the electrical problem that I have on this car, which just cropped up a few days ago. This is pretty easy to fix. It's the auto up function on the driver's window no longer works. So let's get in and I'll demonstrate the issue. As you can tell, if I hit auto up on the driver's window, well, let's do passenger window first so you can see what actually is supposed to happen. All the way up, and the windows roll up. The rear windows are not auto up, so you just got to hold it and they'll both go up by themselves. Alright, so that's up. Now on the driver's window, if I do auto up on this one, watch what happens. Even though you hear the second detent, it's not going up. It's odd. So even though if you press auto down, it goes down. But auto up doesn't work. So how can I fix that? So the one way you can fix this is by rolling the window all the way up until it's completely up, and then what you want to do is hold the up switch all the way up for 5 to 10 seconds, and then that should reset the calibration for the window, so the window will now know what is full up. So let's hold it for 5 to 10 seconds. Alright, so that was about 10 seconds. Let's try auto down. Works. Try auto up. Yep, and now it works. Awesome. So that's how you fix the auto up function on a Chrysler 300 or a Dodge Charger. Any of the newer generations of 2011 and newer, that'll apply to. I think a few Mercedes vehicles, if they use the same door control module, it will also have the same function where you just, if it loses calibration for the auto up function, you just close the window and hold up for 5 to 10 seconds, and then it will recalibrate the motor and the sensor, and then your auto up function will work. So you can learn a lot about how to fix a car just by Googling and watching more YouTube videos like this, and then you don't have to bring it to the dealer and have it fixed when it's just a simple recalibration, which is just holding the switch up for 5 to 10 seconds, for instance. Alright, thank you guys for watching, and put any questions or comments in the section below. Have a great day. Bye.